Well, y'all probably asking or just wondering, like, how did I lose my funded account? Look at this, man. Account balance right here. We hit the loss limit. We hit the loss limit, bro. All right. So y'all probably wondering like how I lost my funded account and mindset, bro. Mindset. That's all I gotta say. Just my trader mindset, literally. So if we just look at this account balance, we hit it. It's just proof that we hit that loss limit. We couldn't hit or go below 1091, and then we went below it, and as you can see, just like all time, we started well, and then boom, we just last couple months, like we literally just kept going down. Like it just almost was like inevitable or something, bro. Cause man, I just kept making mistakes, and then it was just like a pattern of just winning and losing, and now we're down here. We hit it. Like I'm just, I just want to, I just want to show like what your mindset changing like does to you. So around here, I literally was like, dang, I got to make sure I keep this account. And this is the thing about having a funded account, like you don't want to lose it. So I didn't want to lose this account. And when you hold on to something so much, it's literally going to run away from you even more. You're going to have a scarcity mindset instead of an abundance mindset. Like when I was first funded, I was chilling, like, still making a couple mistakes here and there. Like my profits could have been way more, but you see, I'm like going up normally, and then boom, once I have that scarcity mindset, I go down and lose the account. So that is exactly what happened. And today, I'll just run y'all through exactly what happened. I took this gold trade at first. I'm like, dang, this looks good. Like we're just going up. Like gold is in good trend. We just reacted greatly to this zone. So I took this first trade right here, and my 1-to-1 would have been like, yeah, it was right here. If I just stayed in the trade, it would have won. But my account was already at like negative 700 something, 724, and then it goes down here. So I'm nervous. I'm just super nervous. So that just shows that like I have like this scarcity mindset, and I get out around here. And then right when I get out, it starts going back up again. So I'm like, well, might as well get back in. So I get back in around here. And if I just stayed in this trade, it would have won. But me being just stupid, I literally end up getting in this trade right here because I just get out. I get out early, and I'm like, you know what? I like this trade better. It ended up, touching my, what's it called? It touched my zone. Even though I'm already in this trade, I want to get in oil for some reason. I don't know why it's not loading right now. Hmm, being weird. Make sure everything good. Anyways, it was an oil trade that I took, and it ended up losing. And that's literally what had me like $20 from losing the account. So I'm just like, all right, whatever. Like, I'm just gonna, I get out and I get back in this trade again. Here it goes. So right here, we enter. It loses, but then it's starting to go back up again. So I'm just like, all right, let's just enter again. Screw it. And then it hits like that 1-to-1 for me. And I feel good. I'm like, oh, I don't feel good. I don't feel good, by the way. I'm just like, I bet my account's like negative 800 something. And then I already thought I lost the account because I looked at my account balance, and it like went below the 1091, but I was still in the trade. It still kept me in the trade. So I ended up taking it like a random, I don't even know what I did right here, but this completely on me. But Basically, it was a US 30 like liquidity grab. Bro, y'all know US 30 just be killing me, but it was like some liquidity grab that I took and then I lost. Didn't even get to like fully see what happened. You see, this was what it was. It looked like a liquidity grab down here, like grabbing liquidity right here. But this honestly, I put no thought into this. I just got in because I'm like, oh, whatever. Like I lost the account already. I thought I did because hit that. I hit right here in my last trade, but it kept going up. So I'm just like, all right, bet. But yeah, we lost it, bro. We lost it, y'all. And honestly, I'm feeling like I feel like bad, but like at the same time, this is gonna give me time to just like change my mindset of the scarcity mindset into like an abundance mindset of like not being afraid to lose, not letting go. I couldn't let go of this account, bro. I couldn't let go of it, and that's exactly why I lost it because I couldn't let go of it. If I had just let everything play out and just take things and not hesitate, it's all good. But when you have that scarcity mindset, this is exactly what happens, y'all. So, yep, just wanted to share that with you guys. Um, I just literally made that video, like talking like motivational and stuff, saying that you have to like, be your approach has to be consistent so you eliminate fear. Yeah, I gotta live by what I say, you know what I mean? But as y'all can see, mindset is very important. Mindset is very, very important. I know I can do good with trading, but my mindset has to be right. I know y'all can do good with trading, but your mindset has to be right. So, yeah, I'm gonna take a little break, honestly, for the week or just for a bit and, raise some money to get another funded account, like go for another challenge because I know it's doable. I literally did it, but literally all this time just showed me like I have to be able to let go. Just be able to let go. Things are gonna happen. You're gonna lose an account. You might lose an account, but you're probably not gonna lose it if you don't care to lose it. It's so weird how that works. But yeah, anyways, I'll catch you guys. If I just stayed in gold the whole time, I would have been straight, but I lost the account. So yeah, I'll see you guys.